Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to count the words that appear exactly two times in an array of words. Given an array of n words, some words are repeated twice. We need to count such words. For the given input array S, the output will be 1 as there is only one word, hate, that appears twice. In the second case, output will be 2 as there are two words, Om and Jerry, that appear twice. Now let's look at the solution. First, traverse the given array and store the count of words in a hash table. Then traverse the hash table and count all the words with count 2. Now let's have a look at the implementation in C++. We declare an unordered map M to be of string int type. Then we traverse through the given array and increment the count of each word in the map by m of string I plus plus. We initialize result res as 0 and traverse through the map M. If the count of any word in the map is 2, that is, if iter arrow second double equal is 2, we increment the value of result. Finally, we return result, which is the count of the word that appears exactly 2 times in an array of words. We have single loops. The time complexity of this solution is order n. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.